Hi, if someone collapses right now, how long would it take to get help? 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or worse, you don't even know where to go. In emergencies, confusion kills more than distance. So we are introducing Meditrack. So we are solving a critical issue in healthcare and the well-being track, which is like fragmented emergency response system. So there's no real-time ambulance tracking, no visibility of hospital availability, and some hospitals remain overcrowded while others are underutilized. And what happens today? Patient calls multiple hospitals, ambulances waste time deciding where to go, and thus critical minutes are lost. So our solution is introducing Meditrack. So our concept is, what if ambulances work like an Uber? And our Meditrack includes a real-time emergency coordination platform which connects the patient, ambulances, and hospital. Our key value includes tracking ambulances live, see hospital bed availability instantly, and smart routing to right hospital, not just the nearest. And this aligns with three SDGs. So SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. So the first emergency response saves life. SDG 9, which is industry innovation and infrastructure, smart healthcare system. And SDG 11, sustainable cities, which makes the efficient urban emergency services. So how it works? For patient, they request an ambulance instantly, track its live location, choose hospitals based on real-time bed availability. For ambulances, they accept nearby request, navigate efficiently to patients, reduce idle time, increase utilization. And for hospitals, they update the bed capacity dynamically, avoid overcrowding, and improve patient distribution. Our tech stack includes, we are using Google AI Studio for predicting optimal hospital routing, suggests like the best hospital based on availability and distance. We're using the anti-gravity for IDE for rapid prototyping and real-time system integration. And we have deployed our app on the Cloud Run, which handles real-time requests. It has a scalable backend and low latency for emergency scenarios. So our advantages over like other competitors is that it has a simple Uber-like UX, it's scalable, and it solves a critical life or death problem. And the next thing is it also reduces the response time, balances the hospital load, and lives are saved. Even a small improvement in response time equals to massive real-world impact. So next we'll be going to our demo. So now we're gonna go to the demo. So this is the login page for our Meditrack. This is the sign-in page and register page. So you can register as either patient, hospital authorities, and ambulance driver. So right now let's actually go to the login as the patient. So this is the patient dashboard. So there's a way to like call ambulance. So first let's take our location and we're gonna call an ambulance right now. So this took our location and an ambulance has been dispatched to our location. It's gonna come now. This is the ambulance. And so let me show throughout our EY right now. So this is the dashboard, and we can see the condition of the hospitals right now. So there's like Pantai Kale, which is we can see if the ER is open, number of total beds, and the number of available beds, and if it's a private hospital or a public hospital. Also, it shows the distance, and there's an emergency line as well. And we have a chatbot over here. So if you want to like ask questions, suppose like I have asked question that I'm suffering from like first aid burns right now. So it will answer the question like how to stop the burning process. And as you can see, the ambulance is already arriving to our location. And suppose we want to go to the clinical scale since it's like the most available right now. So let's choose that one. It's gonna calculate the route, and the ambulance is gonna start going towards that. Yes. So it's actually like following the map right now, and we are planning to integrate like real-time traffic scenarios. So it will like gonna take more, but for now we're using the normal street routes just for the sake of the demonstration. Uh, so we can actually see how much time it will take for the ambulance to arrive, how much beds are free, and whether the ER emergency response is like open or not. So it should be arriving any moment now. Okay, so the ambulance has arrived as clinical kill, so this route is done. So for the next part, we're gonna go to the ambulance at the demo.com and show you the ambulance's part, the ambulance's dashboard. So this is the dashboard for the ambulance. This is his name, and we can actually check his location. Yeah. So this is the location for this ambulance driver. He can update his location. He can choose his like status, whether it's available, busy, or off duty, and it's gonna change according to that. So this is the part for the driver, and next I'm gonna show is the part for the hospital. So suppose we are gonna choose the hospital. So I already have like prepared the login details. So this is the hospital. Let's sign in as the hospital. And so right now this is the HKL. I'm in the HKL authority. So I can update the total available bed and choose the year status, whether it's limited, full, or something. Let's say our bed is like only 24 right now, and our year status is full. So we're gonna update the our capacity now. So it's gonna change. So our HKL has like limited amount of beds, and the year status is like limited. And so yeah, that's for our thing, and it's logout. And so this is our the database. So we're using the Firebase as our database. So that's about it. And for the next part, we are gonna say like what's the difference from like existing system. We are actually connecting like all three stakeholders in real time: the patient, the ambulances, and the hospital. It's one unified, intelligent ecosystem. No more calling like multiple hospitals, guessing the availability and like delayed, and there's no delayed emergency response. What impact can this create? This will create like faster response times, better hospital load balancing, and higher survival rates. Even a 10% reduction in response time can save thousands of lives like annually. So when every second matters, why should systems still be manual? Meditrack ensures the right help reaches the right place at the right time. We don't just track ambulances; we save time, and time saves life. Thank you. This is coming from our part.